Hi there, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you're already a subscriber, you're welcome again. And today's tutorial will be teaching on how to make this beautiful traditional baby's wear for photo shoot or whatever. And this fabric here is velvet material, and this is designed in Igbo's attires, which is from Nigeria, one of the culture in Nigeria. They wear it for their traditional outfits, most especially the men and the women too. Right now I'll be cutting this into three: one for the skirts, the top, and for the sleeve part. So now, before cutting this, make sure you are directing this lion head towards the down, because of the design. You don't want to um, allow your customer or whoever is wearing it to be wearing a lion facing up, the head facing up. So now I'll be measuring the skirt part, which is what I'll be using for the skirt. So I'll be measuring 17 inches. Now remember, I'm going to be adding elastic band on this skirt, so I'll just be measuring 17 inches length for the length of the skirt. So I'll take my ruler now, and then I'll connect it using my ruler. I'll connect it now, then I'll take my scissors and I'll cut it out. So this is for the skirt part now. So I'll be folding it into four. Remember, this is already on fold, so I'll fold it again. So after folding it like so, I'll take the waist measurement I'll be using. So the waist measurement I'm using is 9 inches, and you know this is already into four, so 9 inches, and I'll be connecting it from that 9 inches down with my pattern master, as you can see me doing, just like a A-line skirt. So this is just what I'll be using for the A-line, for the skirt part of the dress I am making. So now you can see how wide this is. This is 18 inches in front and 18 inches at the back. So in total for the waistline now is 36 inches, and that will be all for the skirt parts. So now I'll be taking this leftover fabric now, and remember what I said earlier, you'll be cutting it on the lion head facing down. So I'll be cutting 11 inches now as the length of the top. Remember, I'm still going to be adding elastic to this, and this includes the allowance. So I'll be cutting it out now with my scissors. So after cutting this out, I'll open it on this side just to make sure it's accurate, and then I'll open it wide now, as you can see. So I'll take my measuring tape and then I'll measure it. This is also 18 inches into 2, which is 36 inches wide. So what I will do, I'll fold it in like so, and then I'll put my elastic band, and that will be all for the top part. So the next thing I'll be cutting out now is the sleeve part. As you can see, this is the fabric I'm having. So what I will do, I'll also be folding this into 4. So this is into 4 now. I'll measure 6 inches in length. So here is the 6 inches. I'll measure it, I'll outline it, then I'll also be rolling this out now with my pattern master. After doing this, I will cut it out, and that will be for the sleeve part. After cutting it out, I'll also be slashing this now into 2, and one part will be going for the left side of the sleeve, and the other will be going for the right side of the sleeve, like so. So what I will do, I will be folding it like so. I'll be folding it by 1 inches. You remember it's 6 inches, and I'll be left with 4 inches at the end of the day after putting the elastic. So that's all for the sleeve part. So now what I will do, this is for the blouse now. So it's not on the picture. I want to add a bit of a straps on the sleeve parts, like on the shoulder, so she can wear it out to church or to other places if you want. And this is 8 inches now in length, so I'll be measuring 8 inches in length. So I'll be measuring 4 inches in total for both of the shoulder. So now I will just outline it using my pattern master, and after outlining it I'll cut it out with my scissors. I'll be cutting it out now into 2 again, and one will be going for the right and another will be going for the left shoulder part of the dress I'm making, and it will be 2 inches wide and 8 inches long. So that is it. As you can see, this is 8 inches and 2 inches wide. So that will be all for the cutting part of this tutorial. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the cutting part of this tutorial, and you put into details. You can make this for as low as 1 year old to 3 years old of age. So this is the part 1, and watch out for the part 2 where I show you details on how best you can sew it to make it size from 1 old to 3 years of age. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell on, and like, comment where you're watching this video from, and also share it with loved ones. Until I see you again in the next one, bye, and have a fruitful week ahead. God bless you. Bye.